Ano ang ara sa special letter nga special nga hambal mo gusto mo na mabalaan? You know what? This series of letters mean a lot to us. It came a time when Angel and I were disconnected.
Give me that smile. Give me that time. Oh, ain't no waiting. Come on and get it out. No anticipating. You know we're right here. Only sunshine is gonna be mine. So open your mind. Walk right in. 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 Come on. Walk right in. Right in. Walk right in. Ain't no waiting. Come on and get it now. No anticipating. You know we're right here. Only sunshine. It's gonna be bright. Open up your mind and walk right in.
And it came to mind, how do I make it more special? Sabi ko kasi, nung una ko siyang makita, hambal ko, siya na ni. Paano ko mahambal sa iyang mga luyag ako, and that I am sure that she's the one.
Those voices talk to you, and it's hard to claim the things you do. Sometimes they wanna destroy you. You don't wanna let them down.
On our first monthsary, December 8, 2020, it came to me na ma-start na ko hambal siyang gusto ko siya pangasawahon.
Everyone knows that I love you too much. Everyone knows that I love you too much.
Sabi ko, how do I ask her outside the conventional, will you marry me? Na utilize ko naman ng letters, and that is how I convey my message to her. Sabi ko, how do I embed that special message kay Angel? And I kept this moment special, parehambal mo nga. If only na makita mo, every start sa aton letters, I underline a letter of an alphabet. On our first month, it says W. On our second month, it says letter I, and so on. I will send you letters, and each letters nga ihatag ko sa imo means a lot to me, especially when we will going to be life partners. So that's why, if you're going to ask me nga wala ka nagatag letters, because hambal ko, napuno na ang pangalan, and how do I say so? Yung dugangan ko, I love you. Ano pagid? I love you. So, hambal ko sa imo, hulat-hulat lang gamay, because the most important letter nga ma-receive mo is today. will notice, every month, may gin-underline ako. And if you will spell that, it will say the phrase, "Will you marry me? Angelica Montero Tianyo."
Wow. Wow. Grabe. If that did not give you chills, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what will. That was a very strategic way of proposing, Mr. Remy. Grabe. Sana all na lang talaga. Isang malaking sana all. Thank you very much. What a great